Well, thank you for joining us here on Wilderness Weather. I'm meteorologist Thomas Gathright here on the afternoon of July the 9th, 2026. It's another day, and that brings with it another threat of severe thunderstorms and flash flooding potential. It does not include the severe thunderstorm watch, does not include us here in Albemarle County and Charlottesville, but it does include Rockingham County and Harrisonburg, east to Fluvanna County, all the way over to Richmond. It includes Northern Virginia and D.C., as well as Baltimore and a good portion of Maryland and the whole state of Delaware and southwestern New Jersey. And that will last. That severe thunderstorm watch began at 2:30 and will last us until 10 this evening. Now, the main cause for this threat today, being a little higher than it's been over the past few days, is we have I mentioned yesterday there is a trough and the jet stream working through the area, and that's allowing the winds to increase with height, and that's called shear, and that really gets these storms going if the wind increases with height and allows the storms to move along a little quicker and form more of a structure as well. In fact, one of the storms today I'll get to in a minute is probably one of the best. Most organized storms I've seen over the past week, at least in terms of this area. And now we do have a flood watch as well, and that extends from Page and Shenandoah County over to Prince William County and Fairfax and the D.C. area for extending north and east as well. And certainly West Virginia has a good portion of the state has some flash flooding potential today as well. And there is also a warm front working northward today. And once that clears the area, we're going to warm up tomorrow into the lower 90s before this cold front here that's kind of draped over the Great Lakes region is going to start pushing southeastward as we head into tomorrow. And both tomorrow and Saturday could have some afternoon showers and thunderstorms with that front approaching the area, but it's moving pretty slow and it won't actually clear our area until Sunday. But as we get into Sunday and Monday, the temperatures do look to cool down a little bit. Highs will be in the low 80s on Sunday and Monday, and the humidity levels look to drop as well, and look to have a break from the storms, especially as we head into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But it certainly could heat back up as we head into the middle of next week, although it does look to be a little bit cooler, a little bit lower humidity than it was the last time we got pretty hot last week. So, but let's take a look at the storms we have ongoing at the moment here. It's really this area here that's mainly the highlighted area for storm potential. And you can see these storms working here into the Shenandoah Valley, getting ready to move out of West Virginia. This storm here in Culpeper County is starting to get going as well, but mainly want to highlight this storm that's severe warned at the moment. Just moved through Germantown, Maryland. It's been really rolling over the past hour. It was really organized a little bit earlier. It's starting to cycle a little bit. The original storm has started to fizzle out, but this storm here across near Potomac, Maryland, there is getting ready to get going, and it's getting close to I-495, the northwestern corner, where 270 and 495 come together. It will move into the D.C. metro area as we head over the next half hour, 45 minutes, especially the northern part of the D.C. metro area. But yeah, really, any of Northern Virginia, you're going to want to stay tuned the rest of the day on the storm potential. We'll be keeping you posted here, and certainly tomorrow too, if there are any watches or warnings issued then. But until then, thanks and have a great, safe evening.